Grabber, and you are watching UFC, Ultimate Food Challenge. Today we have a special guest to choose our recipe, magician Paul Zanzino.
Woo! Yes, today we have a special ingredient. We're making the soup of infinite youth.
Soup of infinite youth? I don't think we have the ingredients.
Why, sure we do, with my magic time machine.
I love it. Today, folks, I'm going to be using the time machine to get ingredients that are from another era. I'm going to be going to the prehistoric age.
But first I need my cookbook. Let's take a look inside. First we need a Swedish chef to stir the mix. Go ahead, take a look.
What?
He's Swedish, don't worry. Next we need a bucket of Queen Elizabeth's bathwater from the year 1559. How dare you! Oh, flowers for the pot. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. Next, we need 2 microraptor eggs from the Cretaceous period.
I'll go get it. Take me to 1 million BC.
Ah, yes, beat with flowers. Damn, Shim! Get back to work! Next, we need a saber-toothed buzzard chick.
Can I have my jacket? If I have to fight off one more angry bird.
Final ingredient, a pinch of puppy fur. Verkirchen der Hunde?
Oh, that sounds delicious. Let's cook the dog.
I think there are laws against that. Almost ready.
Wait, where's my jacket?
You must have left it back in the past.
I better get it. We can't have a tasting without my jacket.
Hurry, it's almost ready. Well, at least she got her jacket back. Well, Chef, are you ready to go back home to the year 1956?
I want to say yes,
But no. You speak English?